Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We have here the complete Pinoy Heroclix playmat, and it only means one thing. We are on the floor because we are opening a big package. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a big consolidated package from initially Oxit from the weekly breaks of Howard, ROC, for the Masters of Time. Okay, this is actually the quote-unquote last Masters of Time brick break. Okay. I say quote-unquote because since there was a delay in the Black Panther set release, okay, the ROC decided to continue with the brick breaks of Masters of Time um, after this week. Okay, so you can see that the package is well and securely sealed in actually this is a case for the Masters of Time uh, set. Okay, so that's how much items we are getting for this particular brick break. Okay, so during this particular break, I was able to win the bid for the 2 super boosters and 2 regular boosters. Okay, I am a frequent joiner of the brick break from Oxit, and I especially for the Masters of Time because there was a big bounty that was unclaimed, and luckily for this particular week, the last brick break of Masters of Time, we were the one who pulled the figure, the Green Lantern figure, and therefore we won the bounty for the Masters of Time. Okay, I think in the video Howard was saying it was it has been 3 months or more that the bounty has not been won. So there's quite a lot of figures here. We'll probably split this into 2 videos. One for the actual pulls that we had for the boosters. As I said, we won 2 regular boosters in the bid and 2 super boosters. So we're gonna look at that in this video, and in another video, we're gonna look at the bounty. Okay, so bounty for now is gonna be placed on the side. I'm actually excited for the bounty figures, especially the legacy cards. Okay, so for now, let's look at our pulls from the brick. Okay, starting off with the regular boosters, this was for booster 11 and for booster 2. Okay, so you can see here winner bounty. Okay, so let's see what we have on the first one. The first one we have, ooh, so it was a good week for us because we pulled a dark side super rare on the other regular booster. Okay, of course, that dark side super rare is super hard to pull. This is going to Larry, a good friend of mine here in the Philippines. He always wanted a dark side, so he finally decided to buy one because we did a lot of brick breaks and nobody was pulling dark side. So that's how hard he is to pull, at least in the Philippine brick breaks. And the second regular booster, as I said, the bounty figure was an addition actually when the second brick was opened and we pulled the Green Lantern super rare. Okay, so I was really happy that I got to pull the bounty figure. Okay, so I don't also have a Green Lantern yet, so but I do have a green torch, so they might really be uh, paired together. Okay, together with the broadsword. But the important thing is he was the bounty, and we got it. And the super boosters, let's see what we have. This is super booster 18 and super booster 9. Okay, so super booster 9 is the Bat Walker. Okay, so the Bat Walker, super booster 9. Okay, so we have here the other figures: Velociraptor, Gene Hex, Team Up, and Pirate Batman. Okay, as part of that particular super booster. Okay, and the other super booster should contain, there you go, an Ultra Humanite. So the Ultra Humanite, this one is actually going to a player here in the Philippines already. This has been pre-sold. So it comes together with the Velociraptor, the GI Robot, and let me get the card, the Ultra Humanite, and the Morgan Le Fay team-up card. So again, overall, such great pulls for the Super Booster as well as 2 Super Rares for the regular boosters. Thank you once again to Howard for doing the brick break, and thankful that I was lucky enough to win the bounty. So watch out for that particular video. For now, bye-bye!